So if you could go back and give your 18-year-old self one piece of advice, what would it be?
That's a loaded question. I would say, don't fall for boys with fast, sexy cars. How about that?
That's a good one.
There are lots of things that, looking back at my 18-year-old self, I wouldn't have thought would have turned out that way, but I'm very happy with how my life is, and even the very, very many twists and turns that it's taken, I wouldn't change it. But yeah, I could say that would be a piece of advice that I would give myself.
And I think this is so timely, especially for like women and young girls. The debate about women and women's rights is so timely now, so that we as coaches and consultants, female coaches and consultants, also kind of have a responsibility when it comes to that, right? How we show up as women in this space, and also how we kind of be the role model also for people out there, for females, and also for our daughters also, right? I think this is a very timely advice, very great advice, because a girl can never be too careful when
Yeah,
it comes to that.
absolutely.